guys, back in the video. As you can see, we have this for sale sign. I've been saving my money for a while now, and I just bought this 2015 Tractor Hopper John Boat 15 foot. When you come around, you see we have aluminum body. We have a swivel seat in the back here. Up here we have some cup holders. My toolbox, which I'm going to move. It's a really good aluminum boat. Up here we have our anchor line, which I'm probably going to put a hook on the end, most definitely. Obviously, all your locks and stuff here. Extra rope for God knows what. A fishing seat. I'm eventually going to end up mounting a trolling motor either here or there, probably there. We have storage right here, which I'm going to put hinges on. The previous owner modded that in. We have decking up in the front here. We have a rod holder for your fishing rods. Live well with a dead fish and a net in it. That's perfect. This boat needs some work, but we'll finish it up. We have some, looks like turf here for this back side here. Nav light, guideposts with lights on them. When we put in the boat, we have our gas can, another anchor for emergencies, some tie downs and stuff. And then we have our 2015 Mercury 8 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor, which I'm going to be starting up for you guys right here. It's a really quiet engine, usually pulls first try, really easy, and it idles really well. Super easy. The engine's not moving right now. Come over here, pull the switch. It's the friction switch. Friction co-pilot. So now you can sit here, use your motor, and enjoy your ride. Again, super easy. And you have this button here. Push that in. And it won't put it in gear. But you can give it some gas without putting it in gear. There's a runoff switch, so if you're ever in an emergency, you just engine automatically starts. You'll have your lanyard here, and say you fall off a boat or something, lanyard, just pull down on that, engine stalls. You don't have time to get to this button. But other than that, it's a really cool motor. There's one more thing. Over here. We have the back end of it here. And yeah, it's just a really nice boat. If you guys want to see some more videos, we'll have it out in the water soon, maybe for like hunting or something. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.